G'day guys. So I'm going to have a look at an old Caterpillar D2 Bulldozer today. It's a J series, so it's getting on to sort of 75, 80 years old. It's in pretty rough shape apparently. It was at a clearing sale last week and nobody wanted it. So I've been talking to the owner and he said I can have a look and make an offer. Apparently it does have issues. It's got a problem with the steering, possibly a stuck steering clutch or brakes. I'm not really quite sure, but we'll go and have a look and see if I can get it running and moving. It's right at the tip of the South Island in New Zealand, so it's quite a drive. It's going to be a good probably 6-hour round trip for me, but yeah, could be worth picking up if I can get it at the right price. She's pretty worn out. Oh, that idler is a bit wobbly. It's sloppy in there and there. Definitely been tarted up, hasn't it? She's had a Dulux restoration by the look of it. But tracks are really sloppy. Yeah, there's a lot of them around. Yeah, pretty knackered. Oh, looks like that idler's been repaired at some stage. Got a big chunk welded onto it. It looks like it was quite rusty, eh? Yep. It's been painted over. The oil looks good. Yeah. No. It's holding fluid. Plenty of hydraulic oil there. I think the brake's pretty worn out. Choke out, bit of throttle. Yep. Oh, there's water coming out of the spark.
Water?
That plug's loose.
going to strip the thread.
No, I think something going on there.
Yep.
Going.
Pretty low oil pressure.
So this ram will need resealing or possibly replacing. That's quite bad, leaking really badly. The engine runs alright, but it's got very little oil pressure. It was only going up to about 10. And this brake I think is pretty much worn out. And the steering clutch is stuck as well, so best case scenario it would be a matter of adjusting it, but I think it probably has to come apart. And, yeah, it seems to go alright apart from that. To turn it right, you've got to sort of go in reverse. So yeah, it needs a bit of work. And it is very worn out. So I'll have a think about that, and yeah, if I can get it for cheap enough, it's probably worth getting. Offer him 2.